Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So let's continue our discussion of our topic in communication. Last time we discussed about the models of communication. Now let's move on to a topic. So let's talk about linear, interactional, and transactional. These are independent topics which are relevant to the concept of a communication. Linear, interactional, and transactional communication. So business transactional. There are many forms of transactional. For example, you're selling, right? So you're going to use transactional conversation so that you can sell the product. Interactional. So for example, in a discourse, social, in a debate, no, that's linear is giving a command, most likely. So these are the models now of communication. So let's move on to this. So the linear model is a one-way communication process where a sender transmit information to a receiver without expecting feedback. For example, radio. When you listen to a radio, that is one way. You cannot respond. So this model assumes that receiver passively receives the message. Teacher, for example, what I'm doing now, so you're just going to listen. Uh, you cannot do feedback unless you send a message. Okay? But during I'm discussing, of course, you just a passive receiver, as like that. Example, advertising through billboards or TV commercial, where the audience doesn't interact with the message directly. So the message is just flashing there, no? Giving the idea of the product. Application useful for mass comm, where immediate feedback isn't necessary. For web transactional model, the interaction model involves two-way, no, communication, where both sender and receiver exchange information and feedback. For example, telephone. You talk, you listen. Then you listen, you talk, no? Or sometimes simultaneous, no? Interaction. Example, if two party are in war, no? They are raging, and then you see the exchange of information. Anyway, so this model acknowledges the importance of a feedback in communication. Example, face-to-face conversation or customer service interaction where both parties respond to each other. No? One asks question, one answers. No? Application, effective in building relationship and ensuring mutual understanding. Okay. Another is a transactional communication model. The transactional model views communication as a dynamic process. So that means real interaction where both parties simultaneously sends and receives messages. So this is telephone, no? So example group. Oh, by the way, in here, the kind of model interactional communication, maybe you know uh, the CB Citizens Band. When you say send your message and then say over, no? And then the other will going to send. Then when you see hear the word over, then you interact. No? So there is a token for you to speak, no? But in here, so we have a what we call a transactional, so simultaneous telephone. No? Send and receive messages influencing each other. For example, group discussion or team meetings where everyone contributes and adapt based on ongoing interaction. Application ideal for collaborative environments where mutual influence and adaptation are crucial. So driving change, no? Part of the communication is driving change. That's the role of the management to improve. Why change? Change for the better. Because if we don't change, our product is behind. So we cannot make money. So driving change involves implementing strategies to alter existing processes, behaviors, or mindsets within an organization or community. Key elements include clear communication, leadership, and stakeholders engagement. Example, implementing new technology system in a company requires training, clear communication of benefits, and addressing resistance. So change is there's a thing as a change management, wherein my manager will convince everyone that uh, these things is important, and then they're going to commit to the change. Now, application change management models like Cutter's step, 8 steps, the process can guide the implementation. Effective stakeholder engagement. Stakeholder engagement involves identifying. So stakeholder are everyone in the organization, even the external. No? Communicating, collaborating with individuals or groups who have an interest in or are affected by the project. So that's it. No? Or organization. Effective engagement builds trust and support. Example, a construction company engaging with local residents to address concerns about noise and disruption. Okay, regular updates, application, transparent communication, and addressing concerns proactively. So that is the effective stakeholder. Okay. So positive branding, focus on creating and maintaining favorable image and reputation for a brand. So the brand is the name of the product that has to be developed to create a what we call an image. No? Okay. Okay, let's continue our discussion. Okay, so let's have this one. Okay, we stop here. No, positive branding is uh, creating the image of the product so that people will find it good, no, and then they're going to buy it. So it can be image, it can be company, it can be the name or any product. No, positive branding involves consistent messaging, quality product services, and engaging with the audience. No? So that's the positive branding. Example, Patagonia's commitment to environment sustainability enhances its brand image among eco-conscious consumers. Application, authentic storytelling, consistent branding voice, and aligning action with brand values. No? Another thing, application of communication is successful marketing campaigns. No? So usually a campaign to promote the product. No? So that should be done strategically. So can be product or service, no, or brand achieving specific goals, no, like increased sales, awareness, marketing, improvement, no, or engagement. Key elements include understanding target audience, clear messaging, and effective channel. The people they are trying to sell. No? For example, Dove's Beauty campaign challenged traditional beauty standards, no? And resonated with a wide audience, enhancing brand loyalty. So application, audience research, compelling storytelling, and selecting appropriate media channels. So that's all for today. So we'll continue next meeting. Thank you for having me.